then four swings. So Bob will counter number one, number four. Okay? Like this. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 5 is better to move from the side. Or don't ever use the left hand in long range. 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. Back again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. Got it? Okay. The next progression. Okay, right. The other one with speed 1 to 5, the other one we use the counter number 1 and number 4. Okay. So if he slash, you use the knife by slashing his hand. You don't try to use the left hand yet, because if you try to use the left hand in long range, you'll be cut. Okay? So you are trying to counter his slash by just plainly cutting his hand using your knife, like that. Okay? The principle is this. If he is on top, you go under. If he is under, you go top. Not that you will be at the same level. Okay? So you cut each other. So if he is on top, you go under. If he is under, you go top. And that's what you do. So if I am on top, you go under. If I am low, you go over. Very easy.
Is it wrong?
No, doesn't matter. Whether it is going down like this or going up. Because what we are trying to do is a basic strike, number 1 and number 4. But you can do upward strike against number 1. That's what we have discussed this morning, that the number 1 can be countered by number 3, it can be countered with number 7, it can be countered with number 1, or it can be countered with number 4. So what we are only using here is strike number 1 and number 4. Okay? So now, what we will do, I feed, then he thrust or slash. I counter like that. So you are trying to use the left hand now. Thrust, there. So when I thrust, you can also do, you can check at the same time, yeah, thrust. So I do like this one, it's like medium range, huh? That one, thrust, that one, 4, this one, 5, that's it. So you are trying to use the left hand now by stopping the thrust or slash. So if you slash, you do this one, then you are, it's open. So you follow up, you also stop like this, or you can stop it like that. Then you thrust. That one. Your body must be like this, not like that, because your body, you have to treat it as like it is a gold. Don't share it to anybody. Don't let it anybody touch it. Your body contains your internal organs. Once it's being hit, you'll be in trouble, you'll be dead. So here, so if you thrust number 5, you do like this one. So I thrust, he can do the same. Then thrust, that's it. Then I slash. Okay, I slash, then wow. Here, I can use the left hand. That's it. I thrust, he can also that one. Okay? So this is what we will do. So that we will not be confused if we do it too fast right away. So I slash, he counter. So I let him train by hitting my hand. Okay, again, by the time you make a follow-up by a thrust or slash, like this, I counter with my left hand by checking his hand. I feed number 2, he slash my hand, then you can do like this, or if he thrust, you can do like that. Then he trained himself by, you just let him cut so that he will be seeing the target. But by the time he is trying to counter, you can counter too. Number 4, like this, then 1. Number 5, that's it, counter like that. Got it? So that's give and take. So I feed, I counter. I feed, I counter, then when I thrust, there, thrust, then here, boom. Okay, 4, boom, boom. There. So 3, here, hoop, hoop. You go in. Okay, we'll try to do the slash and counter. So let him train first by slashing your hand. By the time you do the follow-up, you check. Then, when you thrust, let him do the check. Then if he thrust, you check. Okay? Feed him number 2. Thrust, you check. You can follow with the slash. Then if you check, then you check. Then number 3. Feeding. Check. 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 Okay? Just counter, counter. Okay, try. I hope it's clear. Okay? Like this. Then he will do like this. Okay? So when I thrust like this, he check here, and at the same time, stop. That's what you do. Okay? So here, I do this one, bam. Then you can disarm if you want. There. Okay? So that's your counter. If he thrust number 10, and he counter it like this, and he ward it off, then thrust your chest, side of the body, then you can do that one. But before we go into that one, we go back to what we have done. I slash, then I check. I slash, I check, then I slash, I check, and I slash. Here I can do like this, I can do this one, here, that one. So, this will happen. I do this one, then he holds my hand here. So both of us will be struggling now. So one, okay, that's one of the counters. Both of you are holding here. You can kick whatever you want there, okay? But one of the counter, this is from Grandmaster Bill. So we put it. Stand right away. Be sure that this hand is clear, okay? And you have to monitor this hand because it might reach his knife. So, got it? Okay, that is if you are in this position, huh? That one. You go to the left side. So when you go there, you have to stand right away, okay? And small. Do not try to come in with bent hook because you can just go down there. So when you go under, you have to stand right away so that he could not bring you down. You got it? Okay, try. In case both persons are holding in the hand, we are still in this situation, huh? Okay. So what you do, you can do like this, then you can start. Start here, start, bang, bang. Okay? So again, your elbow must roll over his arm. This one. His arm, knife, cut the throat, pull as you thrust. Okay? That is one of the counters. Like this. Then you do this one. Okay? You slap it, cut. Pull. Got it? Okay, again. This is, you have to roll over. Your elbow must be over his arm. That's one. Then you do this one. You slash his arm. Then you do it. Turn this one. Okay. Here, no cut. I do this one. Then I do this one. I slash the cut. Got it? Okay, try. We are still here. Okay, both of you is struggling, you know. So you do like this, disarm it. in his arm. Okay? Go over this one. Then you can still do that like that. Okay? So here, you can just disarm this knife over in his arm. Then make sure that your punyo, okay? Make sure that your punyo, part of your knife, will go over. Do not try to do like this because you cut your hand. Okay? Try to go to the center. Okay? He tap it, hey, then you go up. Okay? Again. So, this can be that you do like this. This is okay. You can just immediately do like that. Or, you can disarm his knife on his tricep. Okay? Then you go like this. Or you can start like this first, then you can disarm the knife. Here, then you cut. Boom. Got it? One more. Okay. So one procedure you can, do not try to disarm it in your, here first. It can be, but if possible, you just do it in his arm. Okay, then one. Okay, you can cut the throat. Got it?
Yep.
Okay, right. Another preparation so that we will be calling it. So here you disarm like this and pa. That's another operation. Okay. So you do like this, then you can break that one. Okay? So here you do this one. Then you do that one, you can follow like this. Another operation that you can do, disarm it in his arm, then look, you do this one. You got it? Okay, right. Thank you. Class work there. Okay? So the right arm, when he thrust number 5, you do like this. Cut the arm, sorry. This one, go over. You can bring him to the ground. Okay? You got it? Okay, right. Then we go. So we will do again the one that we have just done. We do like this, and we disarm. By the time I do like this, he will apply an arm bar as a counter, like this. Okay? So that's his counter, so that he will not be stuck in the neck. Again. So here, I do this one, I cut, then here, by the time I do like this, then you do the arm bar. Okay? So if he counter like this, other people just face this way and allow themselves to be break by their opponent. So what you do, put the pressure. There. Okay? Push him. Then you can do the counter. Okay? So his counter can be countered. Again. So I do like this. His arm. Then by the time you do like this, you have to pull him. Then you have to pull. This is palm up. Make it palm down as you push him using the caballero foot. Then palm up again as you pull it. Okay? Again. So here we do like this. One. By the time I do like this, he apply an arm bar. So what you have to do, this is palm up, make it palm down as you push, then pull him. There.